Hic. Ever noticed how puppies get hiccups all the time? It's cute, but why does it happen so often? Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, a muscle that helps with breathing, gets irritated and spasms. And puppies? Well, they're still growing, so their little diaphragms are extra sensitive. Eating too fast, drinking water too quickly, or even getting overexcited can all trigger hiccups. Sometimes it's just from playing too hard and breathing fast, kind of like when you get hiccups after laughing too much. The good news? Puppy hiccups are totally normal and harmless. But if you want to help them stop, try these tricks. Calm belly rubs. Owner rubbing puppy's tummy gently. Encourage slow eating. Puppy using a slow feeder bowl. Stay chill. Hiccups go away on their own. Puppy yawning and stretching. So, next time your pup gets the hiccups, don't worry. Just enjoy the cuteness while it lasts. Does your puppy get the hiccups a lot? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more puppy facts.